What is going on, guys? It's me, Adele, back again doing another reaction video. Nah, just kidding. Sorry, I was just doing an impression of him for the sake of a joke at the beginning of this video. But anyways, hey everyone, I'm back, and today I'm doing another reaction video, or blind reaction video I mean. And today we are reacting to another YTP, this time by Little Blue once more. And this one is Thomas and the Sparkle 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 Railroad. And this is his YTP of Thomas and the Magic Road, and he obviously did ask me to react to it, and I said yes. But anyways, let's go and get on with it. In 3, 2, 1, and here we go.
This is Croc and Mordecai the Wacky Vampire here to say, YouTube poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Alright, here we go. And I do make a cameo in this. He asked me to. A YTP. Shout out to all the tankies out there. Clips from the movie. Of course. Haha. And Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas and the Sparkle 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 Railroad.
Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor.
Mr. Conductor, what are you doing? Weren't we going to have someone else narrate this and not you?
Meet Thomas. He's our #1 hero.
And hello to all you tankies watching.
Haha.
That sign say? So do a railway.
Wait, why am I reading like this?
Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster, faster.
Hey there, shaky, shaky.
Shaking is fun to do.
Shaking is fun to do.
My universe, far away across oceans.
What's that from?
Up and over Muffle Mountain and hidden deep in a valley is my hometown.
Shining Time. Let's go. What's this? What was that from?
Wait, is that Ariel with short hair?
And by the way, I think that you're going to
Not
help
a bad
me and
one.
Thomas somewhere in this story.
Mr. Conductor, who are you talking to? And what do they need to help us with?
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
Oh, please be quiet, James. Do you realize we're being YouTube pooped once again?
Tell me about it, Purple.
I reckon Shining Time is the best welcome sign of any town in our valley. Well, I'm glad you agree.
I thought what he was using was Uber Duck, but I think he said on Discord it was something else. Yep. And there's Strasbourg 475. And a little bit of the director's cut. Well, you learned your lesson, Boomer.
Shadowy lines doing on
At
it?
the
They look
crocodile
like
from
straight
Peter
railroad
Pan.
tracks, but I can't see any tracks around here except for the ones that you travel on.
It's a mystery. It's what makes this land so magical?
You're P.T. Boomer.
No, I'm not. Yes, you are.
Didn't expect that.
Glad you could come.
I don't know.
Mordecai.
I just felt like dropping by and, seeing what this is all about.
How would you like to join in the group?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I have been hearing on what your plans are. From the whole magic railroad thing and the missing engine thing. Yeah. Nope, not interested. Bug off, you evil, devious diesel, you!
Don't think that she gets you.
Good one.
Oh, crap, I'm out of here.
Yeah, you run. Well, if Dieselton hired these two.
And panic.
Reporting for duty. I ain't got time to say both names.
We are worms.
I think that's from Hercules, I think.
Why can't I need to want work?
What about this guy?
Stop that laughing.
Two frame Roger Rabbit or something?
You are not not going to work either.
Diesel 10 is hiring sidekicks. Too bad there weren't a few MLP ones, but oh well.
Toolkit, check. Ticket puncher, check, check.
The bagel.
Check, check. Aye, 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 aye. All aboard.
Very nice.
Thanks. Important day, Mr. C.
I must be
In my YTP the movie, I did the similar thing with Santa from Rise of the Guardians.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I should have known this would happen someday. I guess I'm just not as gold as I used to be.
Gold really is your color.
Oh, well, thank you, Mr. Conductor. That makes me feel a lot better.
Stacy, where did you find this painting?
What the? Oh my goodness.
It's so hot in here.
The Amazing Gamer! I didn't know he made a cameo too.
There you are. Is something wrong here?
David!
Now, what kind of an answer is that? Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
Well, me and him get cameos, nice.
Bye, Ma. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
Here it comes.
Heck yes, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Hey, someone had to say it. Carry on.
Obviously.
Old McDiesel
Had a plan.
with a pinch here and a pinch there.
I'm glad he didn't hire me.
Hey, just watch what happens to that
Nice one.
puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past you. Right.
Harold. Woo! Where were you?
Stop fooling around. Put that stuff down. Try my best bread.
Best marmalade.
Good, huh?
Sorry I didn't listen to the audio when he said, where were you?
I'd like to have a nice cup of
My
hot
bad.
cocoa. Would you fellas care to join me? No? What would you rather do instead? Go outside and play?
What's he doing?
What do you think?
One of the Garfield movies.
You're not clever enough to stop me.
Oh, yes, I am.
No, you're not.
The magic was all gone.
Ah, Spike.
Well, we're boned.
The red zone has always been for loading and unloading. There's never stopping in a white zone.
Don't tell me which zone is for stopping and which zone is for loading.
PT Boomer. I'll be back, but that's still. Oh, The Hobbit. Ooh, that's really good. Nope.
What happened? Where's the window?
This is a cine.
Hey, shut up, Billy!
And if he finds her, I fear that will
Destroy us all!
Say it, don't spray it.
Ugh.
What's that? Plane? Train?
Ah, you didn't finish it saying automobile.
He said drain, not train. Ah!
Hello? What's your favorite scary movie? I want my money back.
Ride in the range, ride in the range. Let's go ride in the range. Yahoo!
Oh, yeah? Here, yeah.
Not him too! Oh my goodness.
The magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust.
Oh, Wally.
What is the source of my gold dust?
Lady?
Excuse me. Are you Lily?
Yahoo! This is one crazy ride. Yahoo!
Hello, Cranky, not complaining, yet still not at the movie.
Well, I'm complaining now.
Meanwhile,
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old teapot!
Splash him!
Christmas time.
Hate it when you do this.
Good show.
Oh, there's me.
Hello, Daylight Twinkle. Remember me?
Ah. There I go. Come on, no. Obviously. Yeah, because he used the... to get the pliers.
What a lousy place for a walk.
Now it's time for the next lesson, huh? I call it how to stop being stupid.
Haha.
Bet you can't climb that tree. So, you ever ridden a horse before?
No.
What's blue, green, red, and goes beep beep?
A parrot, and he means sharp sharp.
Nah.
Oh, bogus.
What's the matter?
Think I'm allergic to grass.
As a matter of fact, I just landed here after escaping a heavy metal monster.
The Iron Giant.
What's your language?
Yeah, Mr. Conductor, this is a family movie.
I'm flying!
Ooh, that's got to hurt. And it seems as though Junior broke a couple of his bones.
Broken? There's no bones left.
Okay, I don't know what you mean by that, Hagrid, but I'll take what you say. Oh, hello, Mr. Mindblocks.
You never hear wrong, do you? Where exactly did you hear that whistle?
Hi.
Boomer. Shut up and take my money.
Forget it, Boomer! You'll never catch up!
Are you ready?
No, we're not!
James the Brains. Get us out of here.
Too late.
Well, how about it? That was easy.
Junior, do you realize who this is? I reckon this is one beautiful engine. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust.
Hey, folks.
Watch out for the viaduct, it's dangerous. Let the race begin.
Oh.
Watch me, Boomer. I'm gonna make it to second place.
I don't think so.
The chasing is now a race.
I'm almost there.
The Great Race, anyone?
Come on, this isn't fair.
Percy, are you seeing this?
I'll get you burned up! The gloves are off! Leroy has taken off his gloves, race fans.
Excuse me.
Well, lady, this is your shining time too.
Lady's still at first place.
Oh.
Come on, lady, we can win the race.
Yep. Lady's winning.
Lady's making her way through.
Just watch out for the viaduct still.
You can do it, Thomas. You can do it.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think.
Was that a low engine set code reference?
I could have
Yep.
thought out code.
Oh crap! Oh crap!
Ah.
So cool.
And there they go.
Is this allowed in the race?
Nope.
I guess it is.
Dang it all!
Town is out.
Fatality.
Go ahead, Lily. Throw it up in the air.
Please. Please.
Now, Lily.
Do it.
Hello? Oh, yes, Sir Topham Hatt, sir. You're on your way back right now.
That's right, Mr. Conductor. Both me and Edward are on our way back. And yes, Edward took me on my holiday.
And so we've
Well, that explains why he's not in the movie.
and it's time for all of us to go home. Just like Thomas.
No kidding, Mr. Conductor.
Alright. There's also an extra credit scene, Eli told me. Oh, it's his girlfriend.
Hello, Twinkle Toes.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Run! Run! Alright. Well, Eli, you did a good job. Some of the jokes were really good, and yeah, overall you did another good YTP, and thank you for letting me make a cameo in it. Anyway, so I'm going to end it, since I don't really have that much to say, but still, this is a really good YTP. Anyways, I'll go and see you guys later. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys later. And better go and open the store back up so it wouldn't get any more hot in here, so bye. And sparkle, sparkle, sparkle!